Today, we're gonna make a granola. Grain-free, sweet, spicy, super crunchy. Oh, and check out the bowl. Hi everyone, welcome back to your favorite cooking channel, Bread and Butter. Today we're making granola. I am a huge fan of granola. I have a lot of different recipes and I like to kind of call them, I have like an autumn granola with some pumpkin puree. I have a summer version which is sugar-free. This is my winter granola. I don't know why it became the winter one, but it's so good. First of all, it's grain-free. We're only gonna use a variety of nuts and seeds. And what I love about it is that it's going to be sweet and spicy. And it's actually quite healthy because we're gonna be using egg whites. They will give us a little extra boost of protein. Some of the sugar we're gonna cut down with with a substitute. This is a sweetener called xylitol, I don't know how to pronounce it. A tiny bit of agave. Now, in terms of spices, you could do a mix of anything you like. I'm gonna use a sea salt with some chili pepper. I'm gonna use a mix of black peppers, and I'm definitely gonna add some cinnamon. So we have the spicy, the sweet, and trust me, it's gonna be so crunchy. So I'm gonna be using pistachios, cashew, walnuts, a little bit of pecan or pecan, I have no idea how to pronounce it. And then I'm gonna sprinkle in some sunflower seeds. You need about 500 grams in total, but you can use anything that you prefer or you like. What we're gonna start by doing is separate the yolks from the whites and then just beat the whites together with the sugars and spices, mix in the nuts and bake. By the way, make sure to preheat your oven. You need 150 degrees. So what you need is just one even layer of the granola. I always like to put some parchment paper on the pan just so there's less cleanup. And now this is where you go crazy. Make sure to just add your personal favorite blend of spices. It can be like a pumpkin spice mix, basically anything that you like, but I'm going crazy with the chili salt. I'm definitely going to use a mix of peppers. It's going all over the place. And my favorite, cinnamon. Everything has to have some cinnamon. I'm obsessed with this stuff. So the idea is we're going to bake this right now for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then what we have to do is flip it. Now it's going to kind of get stuck to the parchment paper. But with a spatula, a little bit of effort, and you flip it over and then bake again. All of the details, as always, are below in the caption. I'll see you when the stuff is ready and crunchy. First things first, check out this super cute bowl. It was a gift from my friend for my birthday, and I think it's adorable. And I just found out that this ear has a little hole for an earring. I just love it. Anyway, so the granola, absolutely gorgeous. Be sure and be very careful and watch it like the last few minutes, because it does tend to kind of burn really, really easily and quickly. But I actually love it when it's like dark and crunchy. And this is, you hear that? The crunch. So the chili, the cayenne, the cinnamon, it gives it like a nice heat, but it's not overwhelming. We have that sweet kind of agave aftertaste, and it all just goes really well together. What I love about this granola, what makes it extra special, is that usually you add granolas like in the morning to your cereal, to your porridge, but this one is really good on like a cream soup. Can you imagine fall and you're making like a cream of pumpkin soup or like a tomato soup? This will go so nicely on top. Or, for example, you can make like a cauliflower puree and, you know, put some nuts on top, or add this granola to a salad. Anyway, so it adds a crunch, it adds some healthy fats. It's really delicious. Please try the recipe. Let me know in the comments below if you like it, and if you want to try my other granolas, and I'll share the recipes. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe.